Hello fellow home bakers! Today we're going to make blueberry muffins. Here what you'll need: zest of 1 whole lemon, 2 cups of plain flour, 2/3 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder, half a cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of blueberries, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons melted butter, and half cup of vegetable oil. I know I've spoken too fast, so you will see a full list of ingredients in the description below. In your mixing bowl, add 2/3 cups of sugar with the lemon zest. Mix them together and then add the eggs. Mix well, then add in the vegetable oil, the buttermilk, and the vanilla extract. Now in a separate bowl, combine 1 3/4 cups of flour with baking powder and salt. Mix well and then add to the wet ingredients. Continue mixing while adding the blueberries. If you're using a mixer, remove from the mixer and use a spatula to fold. After folding, set it aside and preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Now prepare your baking tray with cupcake liners and scoop the batter onto each cup at about 3/4 full only. You may also add more blueberries on top if you like. Set it aside and now let's start making the streusel crumbs. With our remaining 1/4 cup of flour, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir until fully mixed and forms into crumbs. Put the streusel crumbs on top of each baking cup, dividing equally among all the butter. And then that's it! Yay! We're ready to bake! Bake for 25 minutes and then you're done!
Nag-melt na yung blueberries natin. Tingnan mo dali, nag-melt na yung blueberries. Ang ganda pa ng holding na nag-melt yung blueberries. Wow! It smells so good.
Once done, place them in a cooling rack or on top of tea towel to cool. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and then hit the notification button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.